Hey, hi. So today I'm going to tell the basic JavaScript. Add two numbers with JavaScript. Hey, let's do it. I'm very excited. Uh, if who are weak in math, they can do that. Number is a data type in JavaScript which represents numeric data. Now let's try to add two numbers using JavaScript. JavaScript uses the plus symbol as an addition operator when placed between two numbers. Okay. Example, my was 5 plus 10. Okay. So let's see the test. Okay. Yeah. Sum should be equal to 20. So 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Yeah. And now I also keep my the clock. And now I keep the sum. Oh, sorry. Sum. Now you can see the value as 20. Hey, now we run the test. Hey, bye bye. And please subscribe to my channel.